Sean from BetterHR, and I'm joined with HR and employment law expert Weda. How are you, Weda?
Good, thank you, Sean. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Okay, so we're here to answer a few common HR questions that we're getting recently. So we keep seeing a lot of employee underpayment claims in the news. Why do some businesses keep getting this so wrong?
The first thing would be misclassification of an employee. This would result from them not having an appropriate job description. Misclassification would lead to, obviously, an incorrect base rate.
Mm-hmm.
Once that has been tackled, once you've identified the correct classification for an employee, it would be easier for you to identify the correct base rate for that position. So it's important to ensure that the job descriptions are up to date and reflect the duties that they do, in case there are things like job promotions, etc. And that job description aligns with the classification under the award.
Or if the role has changed during COVID.
Correct. If the role has changed during COVID, then obviously that you've gone through the proper process, which includes consultation and having something definitive in writing as to the changes to that employee's role and the appropriate pay rate that they're going to be receiving. Another thing is employers might fail to observe the penalties that come with different shifts that employees engage in. There are some allowances that are provided under the award as well. Sometimes they're overlooked, especially in cases where an employer feels that they're paying them an employee above the minimum award wage rate. It's easy to miss allowances and shift penalties.
So things like penalty rates for overtime.
Correct. Penalty rates on working on weekends. Mm-hmm. Or during the time of the day, so at night, early mornings, and different allowances that come with specific roles as well.
Yep.
So, and then the next thing would be them not observing award provisions in general, such as minimum engagements. Some awards require minimum pay, for a minimum engagement pay of say 3 hours for when engaging a casual employee, whereas employers might be paying the employee according to the hours that they've worked. So being aware of what provisions are in your specific award is very important as a business to ensure that you meet all the requirements for your employee pays.
Well, and if people have any sort of questions about these sorts of things?
Absolutely. Give us a call, send us an email to discuss what entitlements your employees might have under the award.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.